the world is gripped in catastrophic annihilation. All the towers are crumbling down, flames and debris everywhere. Death and destruction rage over this sinful hellscape. No matter what happens next, remember to renew your books at your local library. Every 2 seconds, someone in Canada needs a blood transfusion. Le besoin en sang augmente. Become a hero. Planifiez votre don de sang avec Canada Vie. Sauvez des vies. Help save lives. What a beautiful place! Du amate地方. Какое красивое место! Quel bel endroit! Was für ein schöner Ort! No matter how you say this, it will leave you speechless. Tropical Paradise Airlines. Introducing the all-new, technologically complicated but user-friendly PocketPal. Easily adapt its functioning to your current mood. Never feel lonely again. PocketPal. Now with vibration mode. I used to be shy and couldn't talk to people, and I felt really bad about it. Until I discovered the Shy Girl Energy Drink. I still cannot talk to people, but now I couldn't care less. Shy Girl Energy. Be your own best friend and let the world burn.